I just know that if I stay sharp and I keep at it, eventually the cat is going to do something. I just need a solid cat video, you know? Because I got a lot of really great stuff. I think it would make my channel just really take off. I just need something to go viral just for the, exposure. The problem is the cats. They're good cats. They're just easygoing cats. It's not like they don't have a bad work ethic or anything. But I'll be honest, one of them intimidates me. The other cat is more malleable, which I think I can take advantage of. I think I'm just going to put her in things. See if that leads anywhere. It's frustrating because it makes me feel like I don't really know my cats. Like I don't know what kind of quirks they have, what is special about them. It's like I haven't been paying enough attention. And it just goes to show you that, you need to slow down and pay attention to these sorts of things. Because you don't know how they're going to be useful to you later.
Look, Lulu's great and everything, but you've got an energy that I really like. You've got an edge. And people will really respond to that.
It's starting to wear on me.
I'm getting sick of the attitudes around here. Bring something to the table. I'm trying to do something that's going to help us both, all right? I'm trying to help us both.
I just need to be rolling tape constantly. Just rolling tape, rolling tape, rolling tape. I think this one is going to set me apart. This one's going to set me apart from the rest. They're not rolling enough tape. That's going to be the ticket. I don't have enough footage. I just have like 5 or 6 days worth. Or whatever 127 hours is. Oh, it's like that movie. The Danny Boyle movie. I didn't like it. It made me feel like I was in a cave. Claustrophobic. I don't think movies should make people feel bad. Nobody feels bad when they see a short cat film. You see a cat doing something special. It's a little moment of joy in a bad, bad world. That's the kind of movie I want to make.